We'll look at the second example here. So the first one was in the previous video, so we have our solution here. The second one, we had to find all the solutions to x cubed minus 4x squared plus x equals 6, or plus 6. I said in the video, assume it says equals 0. So we're solving for 0, we're solving for x. We know that x equals 2 is one of the solutions, and so we want to try and solve for the other solutions. Over the document camera here. So here we have our problem, we have our equation. We know that x equals 2 is one of the solutions. What that means is I should be able to factor out an x minus 2. Again, if the solution is x equals 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So once I figure out the other factor, 2 minus 2 is 0, so one of the solutions would be 2, which means I'm factoring out an x minus 2. You could either then do x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 and do long division divided by x minus 2 and factor it out that way, or you can use synthetic division. I'm going to use synthetic division just to speed up the process. So to use synthetic division, I'm going to look at the coefficients. So I'm going to have 1, negative 4, 1, and I'm going to check here quick. All the exponents are here. Yes, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I'm not missing any. I don't have to put any placeholders of 0. And my solution is 2. So there's 2. So I bring down the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Add these together. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Add those together. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. And if 2 is a solution, if you do this right, there should be a remainder of 0. That was one of the theorems that we looked at, that if the remainder is 0, then x minus r, x minus 2 in this case, is a factor. So we've got then x minus 2, and we've got x squared minus 2x minus 3 as my factors equals 0. So I've factored out x minus 2, I've divided and factored out an x minus 2. Now I need to factor x squared minus 2x minus 3, and I believe that if I do x minus 3 and x plus 1, see, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, so if you FOIL that out, you should get this quadratic there, which means I have a way of solving these now. We've got 3 linear equations basically. 2 minus 2 is 0, so x could be 2. 3 minus 3 is 0, so x could be 3. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so x could be negative 1. And so that's how we solve and find the answers to all of these problems. X is 2, 3, or negative 1 for this problem. And there's our answers right there.